Why are you afraid to be different? Why do you hide behind the crowd, pretending their choices are yours? Every single day you wear a mask not made of fabric, but of fear. When your friends laugh at a joke, you laugh too, even when deep down, every fiber of you knows it isn't funny. When a trend rises, you follow it, not because you like it, not because it excites you, but because the thought of being asked, "Why aren't you like everyone else?" chills you. This is the invisible hand that controls you. Conformity, the fear of rejection, the fear of being abandoned, the fear of standing alone. You tell yourself, if I blend in, I'll be safe. But here's the cruel truth. Every time you laugh at something you don't enjoy, every time you follow a trend that means nothing to you, you are slowly dying inside. You erase the essence of who you are, piece by piece. Every decision isn't yours. It's borrowed from others' expectations. Your life no longer belongs to you. It belongs to those whose approval you crave. And the darkest part? People see it. They see the hesitation in your eyes. They sense your fear. They don't need to threaten you. They don't need to force you. They whisper, if you stand out, you'll be left behind. And you obey. You laugh when they laugh. You move when they move. You live a life dictated not by your dreams or desires, but by the silent, suffocating judgment of the crowd. This is the prison of conformity. No walls, no chains you can see, but stronger than iron, built from fear, fear of judgment, fear of loneliness, fear of being yourself. Think, every day you sacrifice pieces of yourself for acceptance. Every yes when your heart screams no. Every trend you follow, every mask. It's a brick in your cage. Ask, if you spend your life blending in, what happens when the crowd disappears? When no one validates your existence, who are you really? If your identity relies solely on applause, what remains when it stops? Here's the truth the world won't tell you. People don't respect those who blend in. They respect the ones who dare to be different, the ones who walk their own path, the ones unafraid of ridicule, loneliness, or being strange. Power doesn't belong to the obedient. It belongs to the fearless. So, here's your choice. Stay safe, comfortable, invisible, slowly eroding into nothingness, or break free, even if it means standing alone against the tide. In the end, the fear of being different is only a whisper. The regret of never living your true life is a scream that will echo forever. And remember, life doesn't reward conformity. Life rewards courage. It rewards authenticity. It rewards those brave enough to risk rejection to truly live.
So, will you continue laughing at jokes you don't find funny? Following trends you don't care about? Or will you finally tear off the mask, step into the unknown, and reclaim the life that's yours?